Hi, I'm Marino. I've been lucky enough to be here in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado for the past week, and it's really allowed me to refocus and see how I'm moving and progressing forward. And I wanted to shoot a quick reminder video. To continue to move forward and grow and progress in life, we need to remember certain principles. Now, in my career as a physical therapist, I was always using tips and tricks to help my patients remember the principles of health and wellness. Well, in personal growth and development, it's no different. We need to be reminded of the principles of progress and growth in life as well. You see, it's said in life that if you're not progressing forward, you're actually declining or regressing. You see, the universe is ever expanding, and we as humans have to progress forward and grow as well. We were not meant to just survive. If you're only staying stagnant, it actually means that you're regressing. Therefore, you must always strive to move forward and progress. So to help you out, here's my 4 P's to progress in life. The first P is positivity. Now, that means having a positive outlook or attitude on all aspects of your life. Now, it doesn't mean being positive all the time or just being happy. It means having a positive outlook and being solution-oriented in life and not focusing on problems. The second P is planning. This is setting goals and planning for what you want to be, do, and have in your life, and to plan out how you're going to make that happen. The third P is purpose or purposeful. This is living life on purpose, making things happen, making your life happen, not being passive and allowing all the things in life to happen to you. So being purposeful or living life on purpose. And the fourth P, which is also a principle and a result, is progress. Progress is the results you'll see if you focus on positivity, planning, and being purposeful in life. But it's also always striving to move forward, grow, and progress in life. Now again, as a reminder, the 4 P's to move forward, grow, and progress in life are positivity, planning, purposeful, and progress. Well, I hope this information helped you out. And from this beautiful place in the Rocky Mountains, I want you to have a great day. And remember, as always, be positive, be motivated, be focused, and be well.